Hello, and thank you for joining us. I'm Brian, and I'll be your guide today. We're here to talk about transforming order management with AI-powered automation. At the center of this transformation is HULFT Order Management Service, or HOMS. It's designed to reduce manual work, minimize errors, and help teams process more with fewer resources. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it works and show you the real-world results it's delivering. Let's start with a familiar challenge. This example is based on a typical automotive manufacturer. In their case, they often rely on manual processing of key documents like invoices and purchase orders that come in all sorts of formats, such as PDFs, Excel files, and emails. It may seem harmless when you're dealing with just a few documents, but before you know it, your team is spending hours on repetitive tasks, and those small inefficiencies begin to snowball into real operational problems. Let's take a closer look at why manual order processing becomes unsustainable as businesses grow. To begin with, processing even a single document takes over 30 minutes of someone's time. Multiply that by dozens or hundreds per week, and the hours vanish quickly. For companies in the automotive sector, that can mean spending over 25 hours a week just to process around 50 invoices. Then there's the issue of accuracy. Human data entry is prone to mistakes. These errors ripple through operations, causing payment delays, confusion, and unhappy customers. When order volume spikes, especially during peak seasons, teams struggle to keep up. This results in missed deadlines, bottlenecks, and growing backlogs. These delays can also result in costly fines or damage relationships with customers and trading partners. Meanwhile, compliance is at risk. Without standardized validation, it's easy for documents to slip through with missing or incorrect information, creating audit exposure. And finally, there's the opportunity cost. Talented employees are stuck with repetitive tasks, such as copy-pasting data from PDFs, instead of focusing on higher-value work that actually drives your business forward. It's clear, relying on manual processes holds companies back, and the cost of inaction grows larger over time. So how does HULFT Order Management solve these challenges? With HOMS, manual processing is replaced by AI-powered document automation, paired with smart human oversight where it matters. Here's what that looks like in practice. Processing time is reduced by 98% from 30 minutes per invoice to just 2 minutes. Error rates drop by 90%, thanks to AI extraction paired with built-in validation rules. It's 100% scalable, meaning you can handle seasonal spikes without adding headcount. Compliance is built in, so data quality checks happen automatically. And with intelligent human review, only documents that need attention are flagged so the team can focus on higher value tasks. Let's walk through what using HULFT Order Management looks like in real time. First, users can upload documents directly through our intuitive web portal or simply email them to the system. In this demo, I'll be uploading a sample invoice. Behind the scenes, HOMS is automatically preparing to extract and validate the data. Now, the moment the document is received, our AI extraction process kicks in automatically. It typically takes just 1 to 2 minutes to process. Now, let's move into the transaction history view. Here, you get complete visibility into every document that's been processed. You can filter by date, status, or document type. And when needed, detailed audit trails are also available to support compliance and continuous improvement. And now that this one has been processed, it's ready for human review. In this case, an additional human check is required, aligned with the company's validation criteria. Now, as you can see, the system has already filled in all invoice fields automatically. The reviewer just needs to verify the accuracy, no manual typing required. Let's validate this one. Our engine ensures all required fields and formats are correct, and that everything aligns with validation logic and approval workflows. After all the fields are verified and no issues are flagged, the reviewer clicks to approve, and the document is officially marked as ready for integration. Here we click Approve, and the data is automatically structured and pushed through our REST API to any downstream system. Now that you've seen how it works, let's take a look at the real-world results. This automotive company reduced their processing time from over 25 hours a week to just 2 hours after implementing HULFT Order Management. That time savings translated into real cost reduction, nearly $45,000 per year by eliminating the need for over half FTE. Accuracy improved dramatically. Their error rate dropped from 15% to under 1%, significantly reducing rework and delays. Also, customer complaints dropped by 40%, especially regarding late or incorrect payments. Most impressively, they're now handling over 200 documents a week, all with the same team. With a payback period of under 6 months and a 3-year ROI of over 250%, the impact of HOMS was clear and measurable. So, what makes HULFT Order Management truly effective? That effectiveness starts with how the platform is built. First, our AI models are purpose-built for logistics and order processing, not generic OCR tools, so it understands the structure and variations of real business data. You also get configurable human review. You decide where human validation is needed so your team focuses only where their input adds real value. We're also ISO IEC 27001 certified, giving you confidence that your most sensitive business data is fully protected. In addition, integration is seamless. With flexible REST APIs, HULFT connects effortlessly to your existing platforms, no costly rip and replace needed. And finally, HULFT is proven at scale, handling millions of documents for Fortune 500 companies today. In short, HULFT doesn't just automate. It adapts, integrates, and supports your operations as they grow. Explore what's possible when you bring AI-powered automation to your order management strategy. Let's schedule a custom walkthrough and explore how HULFT Order Management can support your goals. Thank you for watching.